choice today with the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.